This delicious and healthy Diwali appetizer Kale Pakora is crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside and way healthier than the usual fried pakoras. These crispy bites are packed with the fresh veggies like kale, potatoes and onions mixed with flavorful spices and air-fried to golden perfection. Trust me, this is a snack you'll want to add to your Diwali menu and it's super easy to make. Let's start by getting our ingredients ready. First, you will need 250 grams of rinsed kale. Remove the stems and chop the leaves. Set them aside. Next, slice 2 medium-sized peeled potatoes into thin quarters. Also, slice 2 medium-sized peeled onions into thin quarters. For a little heat, finally chop 1 green chili. And for a flavor boost, add 1 inch of fresh ginger and 4 cloves of garlic to a blender and make a coarse paste. You can also use pre-made ginger garlic paste if you have that handy. Now let's bring everything together. Take a large mixing bowl, add the chopped kale, sliced potatoes, onions and green chilies. And a quarter cup of rice flour to give a light and crispy textures to our pakoras. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of crushed kasuri methi, pre-made ginger garlic. Now add your spices. I'm using red chili powder, red pepper flakes, cumin powder, black pepper powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder and black salt. Next, add 1 teaspoon of crushed carom seeds for the typical pakora taste and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for a nice tang. Mix it well with your hands while squeezing the veggies so they release some natural moisture. Then add 1 1/4 cups of besan or chickpea flour and mix it well with the veggies. Also add salt to taste and mix again. Slowly add water until you have a thick and sticky batter. The trick here is to have more veggies than batter for the crispiest pakoras. Now preheat your air fryer to 180 degrees centigrade. Shape the batter into small pakoras or round bites and place them in the air fryer basket while keeping a ½ inch gap. Also make sure that basket is not overcrowded. Spray the pakoras lightly with oil and air fry at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. After that, open the air fryer, flip all the pakoras and spray again with oil for the golden perfection. Continue air frying for another 5 minutes or until they are golden brown and crispy. Alternatively, you can also deep fry them or bake them in the oven. And that's it, our pakoras are done. It's time to deck them up. I'm serving them on a platter over colorful chutneys like beetroot chutney, mint cilantro chutney and a little hunkat for dipping. Sprinkle some red chili powder and chaat masala powder on top. Serve it along with a lemon wedge and that's it. Your crispy, healthy and delicious kale pakoras are ready to enjoy this Diwali. Thanks for watching. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to give it a try and share your feedback. And for more fun and festive recipes, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Happy Diwali and happy cooking. See you next time.